looking for your next Greek island escape? Let me introduce you to Mitsis Selection Alila, a stunning 5-star resort that opened its doors in 2023 on the beautiful shores of Hersonissos, Crete. This brand new property is part of the well-established Mitsis Hotels chain, a family-owned collection that has been creating memorable Mediterranean holidays since 1973. What makes this place special is how it manages to blend contemporary luxury with authentic Cretan character, all while sitting on a private sandy beach that stretches for 300 meters. The resort sprawls across an impressive 100,000 square meters, offering guests a genuine sense of space and exclusivity. With ratings consistently hovering around 9 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor, this newcomer to the Cretan hospitality scene has quickly established itself as a favorite among travelers seeking that perfect balance of relaxation, entertainment, and Greek island charm. The property features 440 rooms, 6 swimming pools, 9 different dining venues, and comprehensive wellness facilities that cater to everyone from families with young children to couples seeking romantic getaways. The design philosophy embraces minimalist elegance while incorporating traditional Cretan elements, creating spaces that feel both refreshingly modern and authentically Greek. Whether you are planning a family adventure, a romantic retreat, or a group celebration, this resort promises an elevated Cretan experience that goes beyond the typical all-inclusive offering. The accommodation options at Mitsis Selection Alila are genuinely impressive, with every room type designed to maximize comfort and showcase those spectacular Mediterranean views. Starting with the superior room sea view, you get 35 square meters of thoughtfully designed space featuring either a king-size bed or twin beds, depending on your preference. These rooms come with marble bathrooms equipped with walk-in showers, and every balcony includes comfortable loungers where you can sip your morning coffee while gazing at the Aegean Sea. The color palette is bright and airy, dominated by whites and soft blues that reflect the coastal setting perfectly. Every room includes a Nespresso machine, which is a nice touch for coffee lovers who appreciate a quality brew without leaving their room. The minibar gets restocked daily as part of the all-inclusive package, and you will find satellite television, a safe for your valuables, and reliable air conditioning throughout. For families, the deluxe family room offers 45 square meters with 2 separate bedrooms, one with a double bed and another with twins, plus a living area with a sofa bed. This layout works brilliantly for parents who want their own space while keeping the kids close by. You can even request interconnecting rooms if you are traveling with extended family or friends, and the hotel can provide a PlayStation on request, which is fantastic for keeping older children entertained during downtime. Moving up the luxury scale, the junior suite spans 50 square meters and features a separate living room, a king-size bed, and the option to add an outdoor jacuzzi to your private terrace for an additional €50 per night. The pillow menu is a thoughtful detail that ensures everyone gets their perfect sleep setup, and the welcome fruit basket adds a personal touch. The family suite sea view takes things even further with 60 square meters, 2 bedrooms including bunk beds for the kids, and direct sea views that make you feel like you are living on a yacht. Some of these suites even offer private pool access, which is absolutely magical for families who want that extra level of privacy and convenience. At the top of the range, the Grand Suite delivers 80 square meters of pure indulgence with a master bedroom, guest bedroom, and spacious living room. The Bang & Olufsen audio system provides concert-quality sound, and you can request a private butler service if you really want to be pampered. The rooftop terrace with its private plunge pool offers panoramic views of the Cretan Sea that will take your breath away, especially at sunset. All rooms feature smart televisions, bathrobes and slippers, and balconies or terraces that encourage you to spend time outdoors soaking up that glorious Greek sunshine. The attention to detail is evident throughout, from the quality of the linens to the thoughtful placement of lighting and mirrors. When it comes to dining, Mitsis Selection Alila truly shines with 9 distinct venues that cater to every taste and occasion. The all-inclusive package covers everything, though the specialty restaurants require reservations for dinner, which is a small price to pay for the quality you receive. The Alila Main restaurant serves as the heart of the dining experience, offering buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. The space accommodates 500 guests, yet it never feels cramped thanks to clever design and multiple serving stations. The focus here is on fresh Mediterranean and Greek cuisine, with dedicated stations for seafood, traditional Cretan meze, grilled meats, and an excellent selection of vegan options. The themed nights are particularly popular, with Greek evenings featuring live music and traditional dishes like moussaka and lamb cleftico, while Italian nights bring out fresh pasta stations and wood-fired pizzas. The quality of ingredients is immediately apparent, with the hotel sourcing 80% of its produce locally, supporting Cretan farmers and ensuring maximum freshness. For those seeking a more intimate dining experience, Olive Tree offers authentic Italian cuisine in an elegant setting that seats 80 guests. The menu highlights include lobster linguine that rivals anything you would find in Rome, handmade pasta that changes daily based on seasonal ingredients, and a tiramisu that has become legendary among repeat guests. The wine pairings are expertly curated, featuring both Italian classics and excellent Greek wines that deserve far more international recognition than they receive. Satin specializes in seafood and Mediterranean dishes, with a menu that reads like a love letter to the ocean. The grilled octopus is tender and perfectly charred, the sushi selection surprises with its freshness and creativity, and the ceviche brings a refreshing South American twist to the Greek seaside setting. The sunset seafood platters are designed for sharing and make for an unforgettable romantic dinner experience. Asia Odyssey takes you on a culinary journey through Asian flavors with its fusion approach to sushi, teppanyaki, and dim sum. The live cooking shows at the teppanyaki station are entertaining as well as delicious, with chefs performing impressive knife skills while preparing your meal. For something more casual, Hersa Grill delivers authentic Greek grill favorites like souvlaki, gyros, and lamb chops in a relaxed poolside setting that operates from noon until 11 at night. The poolside barbecues are a highlight, especially on warm summer evenings when the aroma of grilled meats and vegetables fills the air. The beach bar keeps things light and refreshing with burgers, fresh salads, and tropical cocktails served from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. The swim-up service means you can order without leaving the water, which is exactly the kind of convenience that makes an all-inclusive resort truly special. The pool bar extends the party until midnight with cocktails, ice cream, tapas, and regular DJ nights that create a vibrant atmosphere without being overwhelming. The lobby bar operates 24 hours a day, offering signature martinis, excellent coffee, and live piano music that adds a touch of sophistication to the evenings. And if you prefer to dine in the privacy of your room, the 24-hour room service offers a full menu at no extra charge, delivered promptly and presented beautifully. The pool facilities at this resort are nothing short of spectacular, with 6 distinct pools designed to cater to different moods and age groups. The main infinity pool is the showpiece, spanning 1,200 square meters and ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters in depth. The infinity edge creates a stunning visual effect where the pool appears to merge seamlessly with the Mediterranean Sea beyond, and the swim-up bar means you can enjoy a cocktail without leaving the water. The family lagoon pool covers 800 square meters and features water slides that keep children entertained for hours while parents relax on nearby loungers. The slides are age-appropriate and safe, with lifeguards always present during operating hours. For adults seeking peace and quiet, the adults-only pool provides 400 square meters of tranquil space where you can read, nap, or simply float in blissful silence. The kids' shallow pool is perfect for toddlers and young children, with just 200 square meters of gentle, supervised fun in water that never gets too deep for little ones. The rooftop infinity pool is perhaps the most Instagram-worthy spot in the entire resort, offering 150 square meters of elevated swimming with panoramic views that stretch to the horizon. Finally, the indoor heated pool ensures that even during the cooler months, guests can enjoy a swim in comfortable conditions. All pools are open from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening during the main season, with the indoor pool available year-round. Hydromassage jets in several pools provide therapeutic relaxation, and cabanas are available on a first-come basis, offering shaded privacy for those who want it. Beach towels are provided at all pool areas, and waiter service means you never have to leave your lounger to order drinks or snacks. The beach itself is a major highlight, stretching 300 meters along a private sandy shore that has earned Blue Flag certification for its cleanliness and environmental standards. Loungers and umbrellas are included in your stay, positioned in neat rows that still allow for personal space. Beach waiters circulate regularly, taking orders for drinks and light meals that arrive promptly. Free activities include kayaking and pedal boats, which are perfect for exploring the coastline at your own pace. For more adventurous guests, paid water sports include jet skiing and parasailing, with prices ranging from 30 to 100 euros depending on the activity and duration. The water is typically calm and clear, ideal for swimming and snorkeling, and the gradual depth increase makes it safe for children while still offering enough depth for confident swimmers. The resort takes wellness seriously with its Elixir Spa, a comprehensive facility that offers everything from quick treatments to full-day pampering experiences. The spa menu includes Swedish massage, hot stone therapy, facials using premium products, couples rituals that allow you to share the experience with your partner, and traditional hammam scrubs that leave your skin feeling incredibly soft. The signature treatment is the Cretan olive therapy, a 50-minute session that costs 120 euros and uses locally produced olive oil rich in antioxidants and vitamins. This treatment is deeply moisturizing and particularly wonderful after a day spent in the sun and sea. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, 10 individual treatment rooms that ensure privacy, a relaxation lounge where you can unwind before or after treatments, and a jacuzzi that is accessible to gym users. The spa operates from 9 in the morning until 9 at night, and booking 24 hours in advance is recommended, especially during peak season when appointments fill quickly. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym equipment, widely regarded as the best in the industry, including multiple treadmills with entertainment screens, free weights ranging from light to heavy, stationary bikes, yoga mats, and spin bikes for high-intensity workouts. Daily classes are complimentary and include yoga sessions that range from gentle stretching to more challenging vinyasa flows, aqua aerobics in the pool that provide excellent low-impact cardiovascular exercise, and Pilates classes that strengthen your core and improve flexibility. Private training sessions are available for 50 euros and can be tailored to your specific fitness goals, whether you are training for an event, recovering from injury, or simply want expert guidance on proper form and technique. The fitness center is open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, giving early risers and night owls equal opportunity to maintain their exercise routines while on vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.